Hi.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to our FarreachElectronic Corporation Limited. We are the manufacturer of HDMI cable, and now
What is this cable there?
This cable is the newest cable of HDMI version. It's 2.2 and 16K.
And what do we see here? This is the one?
Yeah.
So you say 16K.
Yeah.
So it's ready for 2.2.
Yeah, it's ready for mass production.
So as soon as the spec is ready, you will launch it. And can you show a bit how it's worked, this cable?
How it works? You can connect the TV and the monitor and your computer, and this is the audio and video cable.
On the wall over there, I see you explaining that you can bend it 10,000 times. Lifespan is very long.
This is different. This is the long HDMI cable, AOC HDMI cable. Different.
Right. So this is AOC, and you have a 24K gold-plated.
Yes. You can see this connector. It's 24K gold-plated,
And what is inside the cable? 4-core fiber.
Inside the cable, it is fiber. For the traditional cable, it is copper, and this one is more slim, and the conductor is the optical fiber. Yeah.
Nice. It's a nice material here.
Yes.
It's chrome, like high quality.
Yeah, you can see another one. This one is ARMO AOC HDMI cable. Yeah, to protect the cable inside.
It's armed.
Yeah.
So if you cannot cut it, it's not possible.
No.
So it's all the way down. It's armed all the way down.
Yes.
And why do you choose blue color? Sometimes different color.
Sometimes black. It depends. If you want red color, it's okay.
I can have pink one.
Of course.
Okay. What is MOQ?
MOQ. This one MOQ is very small. Only maybe 50 pieces. Yeah.
And the length is 50 meters also?
Yeah. This one MOQ need 3,000 pieces.
This one, no?
Yeah.
All right. How long it can be maximum length for the passive?
For HDMI 2.2, the max length is 5 meter. 5 meter.
This is only.
This is only 1 meter.
1 meter. All right. What is the material inside to make this cable? Not this one, but so what do you do here?
Inside is the conductor is copper and tin copper and thin bright, and this is the PVC. Yeah.
All right. So you would say it's the best HDMI cable in the world?
Yes, it's the best HDMI cable in the world.
Okay. Which other cable you want to show here? What do we see here? Are those some of your customers, or do you have many customers, right?
No,
I don't film these guys.
Yeah.
But if we go over here, you have many different boxes, styles,
this
colors.
Is the newest cable, maybe used before. Now can be charging data and audio and video. Yeah, because it has the function of HDMI. It has.
And this one also Type-C to HDMI.
Yes.
And you also do a lot of little adapters.
Yes.
Every kind, like even this one.
Yes.
So I see multiple Type-C, like a corner or something.
As long as you need, what kind? Every adapter we can make for the audio and video.
And if you need to have an HDMI that goes like this, you can do it.
Yes.
What is the use for this?
Some people, angle.
You put it behind the TV and you need an angle to go down. Right. And some other cable you want to show here? The most exciting ones?
Display port. Maybe you can see the display port. This is ATG. DisplayPort 2.1 version is the newest.
This one is very nice. The thin, flat cable.
Yeah.
This Type-C to HDMI. Do you say how big is your factory? How many cables you sell every year?
How many cables?
Or in the whole life of the company? It's millions.
We didn't count, but we have over 1,000 customers. 1,000 customers over the world. Yeah.
And you have a lot of colleagues here.
Yes.
At the booth.
Yeah. Our factory have been manufacturing cables over 20 years.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.